Hello, everyone, and welcome to my QuickBooks bookkeeping series. In this series, I will be teaching how to set up and use QuickBooks for all your bookkeeping needs in your small business. Please like my videos and subscribe for more videos like this. In this video, I will show you how you can set up QuickBooks for your small business so that you can track your expenses and your income. This will allow you to monitor how your business is doing. When you track costs and earnings, you can easily tell when to make certain decisions to help your business grow. QuickBooks is suitable for keeping financial accounting records because it's very simple to use. Anybody can use QuickBooks. Now go to quickbooks.com on your browser and select your location. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and sign in. But if you do not have an account and you're doing this for the first time, create a new account. You can start out with a 30-day free trial account, as this gives you the opportunity to understand QuickBooks and how it works. Now, there are different plans with different access levels that you can sign up with. You can decide to start with the Simple Start plan, the Essential plan, or the QuickBooks Plus plan. When you review the details of each plan, you can see the different activities that these different plans allow you carry out. For the Simple Start plan, you can track your income and your expenses, and you can send invoices and quotations to your customers. Invoices are commercial documents that record a transaction between a buyer and a seller. An invoice would typically contain the company information, item being sold to the customer, and the price of the items as well as the quantity being sold. Lastly, the invoice will have the date when the sale is made and the terms of payment agreed on by the buyer and the seller. Quotations are documents that show the price at which a seller is willing to sell a product or service to a buyer. In QuickBooks, estimates can be used to create such quotations. You can also connect your bank to QuickBooks so transactions are imported directly into QuickBooks. In Nigeria, as at the time of making this video, these are the banks that can be connected with your QuickBooks. Also, you can track your VAT so that you know what you need to remit every month. VAT is tax that you pay to the government for every product or service you sell monthly. The Simple Start plan allows for a single user and is suitable for small business where one person is responsible for bookkeeping. With time, as your business grows, you can then upgrade your license to the Essential plan or the Plus plan. So let's dive right in. We are now signed up for QuickBooks. To complete the setup of your QuickBooks account after sign up, enter the name of your company. It could be a registered business name or your registered limited liability company name. Next, select the type of company you are setting up. Let's quickly talk about some of the different types of companies. A sole trader, also referred to as a sole proprietorship, is an unincorporated business with just one owner. The owner pays personal income tax on profits and not company tax. Also, the liabilities of a sole trader extend to the owner of the business. That is, if the business owes someone, the owner of the business is responsible for making the payments, so his personal assets can be used to settle such debt. A lot of small businesses in Nigeria fall under this category. A limited liability company, also referred to as a private limited liability company, is a company set up such that the company's liability is separate from its owners, shareholders, and people who run it. That is, the shareholders of the company are only liable to the debts of the company to the extent of their shareholding. In simple terms, if the business owes someone, the personal assets of the owners cannot be used to settle the debt. Most registered companies in Nigeria are registered as limited liability companies and have the word limited attached to their names. After selecting the type of company, select the number of years you have run the business for and the industry in which you operate. Select your role in the company here. If you are the owner of the company, select owner. Do you have an accountant or a bookkeeper? If not, QuickBooks gives you the option to do it all by yourself. That's just how easy QuickBooks is to use. Now, what would you like to do in QuickBooks? Select the different tasks you would like to do. I have selected Send and Track Invoice, Organize Your Expenses, Track My VAT, Track Retail Sales, Pay Employees, Manage Inventory, and Track Bills. Now let QuickBooks set up the right tax codes for your location. So simply follow through with the setup for tax codes by selecting Next. In another video, we will look at how to set up tax codes in QuickBooks manually. There you go, we have our QuickBooks all ready for us to dive into. So let's do a quick overview of what this screen allows you to do. You can add your customers and estimates. You can add invoices, you can receive payments, you can write checks, and you can print checks. Click on the link above to learn how to create your first customer in QuickBooks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to help reach others who may find my videos useful.